In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refund on Revolut Official Method 2025. Let's start by opening the Revolut app on your phone. Make sure you're on a stable internet connection and that your app is up to date, since design tweaks can change where buttons appear. Once you're in, head to your main feed or the account where the payment was made. You'll see your recent activity right there, and that's where we'll work from. Next, find the specific transaction you want refunded. You can scroll through your list, use the search bar to type the merchant's name or the amount, or filter by date if you know roughly when it happened. Tap the payment to open the full details page. This page is important because it shows the status, the merchant details, and any actions you can take. On the transaction details, look for a refund option from the merchant. Depending on the type of payment and the merchant's setup, you might see a refund or request refund button. If the payment is still pending, it may simply reverse automatically once the merchant releases the hold. If the payment has been completed, the refund option, when available, lets the merchant send the money back to the same source it came from. If you don't see a refund option, contact the merchant directly using the details shown in the payment, such as their website or support email. Provide your order number, the date and amount, and briefly explain why you're requesting a refund. Merchants often have refund windows and policies, so being clear and timely helps. Keep any receipts or confirmations, as they can speed things up. After that, give it time. Refunds don't usually arrive instantly. Pending payment reversals can take a few days to drop off. Completed refunds typically appear within several business days, and in some cases, up to 10 business days, depending on the merchant and card network. Weekends and holidays can add extra time. If foreign currency is involved, you might see a slightly different figure due to exchange rates or the original conversion. To track progress, go back to the transaction in the app and check the status. Revolut will show updates, and you may receive a push notification when the refund lands. The refunded amount appears either as a separate line item or linked to the original payment. Partial refunds will be labeled accordingly. If the expected time frame has passed and there's still no movement, open the in-app help section for guidance tailored to your case. That's the official flow. Open the app, locate the payment, use the refund option if available, coordinate with the merchant when needed, wait for processing, and monitor the status in Revolut.